If your team runs on Notion, but you are using Postgres or MySQL as your database, you must be using either custom code or complicated automations to keep both in sync. In this video, I'm going to show how you can use Byteline to easily keep both of them in sync. So here I have this sample Notion database for of customers, and I had this is my Postgres database. So right now the sync is live. It's running in the background. You don't even need to be on the UI here. So it just keeps running in the background. And as we make changes in our database, like for example, I inserted this customer. So this will automatically be synced to Notion. Okay, here is our data that was inserted in Postgres. So now let's look at the Notion, and we got this customer over here. So let's I want to show you how you can configure this sync. So let's start working on the Byteline UI. So I'm going to stop this sync so that I can show it from beginning. So let's delete this one. A new sync can be added by using this create sync button. So in this case, we're gonna do from Postgres to Notion. Remove the tables that you don't want to configure. So in our case, just customers. This is a two-way sync, but you can also go one way. It's up to you based on your requirements. And here we're gonna pick to sync both existing data and future changes. We do the field mapping by default, and I think and we are good with the default settings over here. For the historical sync, so this is for handling the existing data. This can only go one way. So we will go from Postgres to Notion. And you don't have to start with the blank database. You can have existing data, and we will take care of it during the historical sync. So right now, because the data is already in sync, so there is nothing to change. Otherwise, it will show here how many records will be created and updated. So let's start the sync. So it's done with the historical sync, in which our case everything was synced, so there was nothing to be done. But now the sync is live, and as you make change on either Postgres, because this is a two-way sync, so you can make change on the Postgres, so that will be synced to Notion. If you make any change on the Notion side, that will be synced to Postgres. And and here we have shown Postgres, but the similar configuration you can do even for MySQL. So please give it a try. We provide 2 weeks free trial,